Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can keep a big analog clock widget from KWGT Widget Maker and put it on our home screen. So first of all, let me install KWGT app. Open Play Store and search for KWGT and install. This is getting downloaded. Now once it is downloaded, just open that and click on Let's Go. Next again. Click on Next. Now long press on the home screen and click on Widgets option. And under Widgets find KWGT Widget and choose the long one, as we want to keep big analog clock on our home screen. So I am using 3/3 widget. Tap on it and see here, we need to again install some new packs. You can find a lot of custom packs here. Choose one and download. Let me choose Widget Wall KWGT. It's been installing. Once it is downloaded fully, we need to close the app and reopen it again. See, this base pack is a one pack available with KWGT installation. All other packs we need to install separately. Code for custom and fees KWGT packs I installed earlier. Let me clear all the apps once. So this pack is downloaded. Let me clear the apps. So I'll reopen the app, then I can find this pack inside the app. So let me just click on this widget. Click on Explore at bottom. Then click on Install Packages. Now open first pack. This widget is about colorful weather widgets. So I couldn't find any analog clocks here. Mostly digital clocks are available here. But we want analog clock. Not many analog clocks here. Okay, let me just click on the back button here and click on Code for Custom. Here you can find some beautiful analog clock widgets. Scroll down until you find the one you like the most. Maybe this one I will choose. You can change the background which suits your wallpaper. So my current wallpaper is of light pink. According to your wallpaper color, you need to adjust this widget colors accordingly. So I will be just choosing the color palette to light pink. And click on Apply and I am pressing the back button. Now look at the widget on the home screen. You can still adjust the height or the width of this widget. And not only the height and weight, you can adjust the placement also. Just press hold and move it on the home screen to keep wherever you want. If you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like and share to others. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.